Hi, I'm Jeff Foster with Laser Technologies. Wanted to just talk to you a little bit today about our stocking program here at Laser Technologies. We are very heavily involved in the aerospace, Department of Defense, and military applications. And a lot of those type of applications require special alloys such as nickel and cobalt-based materials. One of the big challenges with processing jobs in that environment is the lead times that it take to procure materials, process the laminations, anneal the materials, and get a finished product out to the customer. We realize the value in quick turnaround, especially in our environment where just-in-time has become a really important factor in keeping inventories low for our customer. So here at Laser Technologies, we've done a number of things to try and reduce that process from months down to weeks. And as part of that process, one of the things that we've done here at Laser Technologies is put a high investment into some of these special alloys that might have lead times in the 8 to 12 or sometimes even more weeks in order to procure materials. So some of the materials here that we have started to stock as a standard would entail 4 thousandths, 6 thousandths, 14 thousandths, and 20 thousandths cobalt alloys that conform to the ASTM 801 standard. There are a number of mills that produce, although there's actually just a few mills that produce these type of materials, and we have established relationships with those mills, and we do try to keep a sufficient amount of stock in those materials. The other material, nickel, is also a highly valued material for a lot of high frequency motors. We have also made an investment in different types of nickel alloys, but primarily our stock would entail 14 thousandths nickel, which is about a 50% nickel-based product, and that seems to be the most prevalent right now in our industry as far as what we see for demand. So outside of Laser Technologies procuring and stocking material for general contract work, we also do have stocking programs that we initiate with customers. So if there is a particular gauge material that you use as a standard, or you would like to see better lead times, we're here to work with you as part of your manufacturing arm, and we're certainly willing to talk about stocking that material here at Laser Technologies for your laminations, or coming up with some type of a Kanban type program that might entail keeping some inventory on hand that might address your annual estimated usages. This is just some of the material here that we stock in the special alloys. These materials come in a coil form. We have different cobalt alloys and nickel alloys, as well as thin gauge, non-grain oriented alloys. And we are starting to stock more and more of this type of material based on the type of motor designs that are coming out that are calling for higher efficiency motors and smaller platforms. So we tend to buy anywhere from 200 to 800 pound coils of this material. We have the ability in-house to shear this material to a specific length in order to make sure that we are nesting our parts as effectively as we can and minimizing any waste, because the cost of this material obviously is very high based on the alloys that are present. So we don't want to waste any of this material whenever possible.